everyone, welcome back to my channel for this unboxing video. It's a super unboxing video. We are going to the Tech Week massive shopping from Jumia. So today I have a big packaging. This is the packaging. It seems to be big enough, similar to a book, but let's see what's inside. By the way, if you're already subscribed to my channel, big up to you. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe now for more content like this. Tech stuff, accessories, computers, repairs, electronics, and so on. So I'm going to unbox this package right away. Big as it is, it's kind of heavy. I request for your support. Give me your ideas about the tech accessories that I'm supposed to be stocking in my store, and I need your support so that my business grows. I've got my tiny blade here. Okay, let me begin unboxing right away. We have a tablet in here, so let's see. Tablet shipping invoice. I have nothing to deal with that, but let me cut this right away. So in here we have the Discover Smart Tab, New Life, Android 8.1. This is the system it is running. It has a 10.1 IPS panel. It could be a better display, but we are going to see. 4G network with calling, 4GB RAM, 64GB of memory, dual camera, 8 megapixel plus a 13 megapixel system, quad core high speed system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth on the go, USB connect. So the battery specification is 6500 mAh battery, so it could take you through the day. This is a big capacity. One thing I loved about this tablet is the dual SIM card, but we are going to see if it really does the job with two SIM cards. Model G10 smart tablet PC, more fun with power and style. Made in China, so nothing to do with that. We have color black. We have some stickers here. Let me remove this plastic now. It's kind of torn. Cover, and in here I have to be very careful, very careful. It must be opening like this. I don't know. Let me see. Nice packaging. Nice packaging. Really nice. We've got our slim tablet here. Here it is, very slim and compact. Let's see what we have else in the box. Oh my god, we have a power bank. This is the power bank. It has 1000 mAh batteries. So it could be a recovery system, a backup system. So here it is, the power bank. We also have the cover. Wow, so these people are really serious. We also have the tablet cover. Very nice. What else do we have? We also have the screen guard. Screen guard. Let's see what else we have. So we have the USB headphone jack, USB Type-C. This is it. USB Type-C to USB-A. We also have a stand. Here it is. All this in one box. This could be a digitizer. It's like a pen. So you have the ability to use this tip and also this side as a painter. This is really nice. We also have a Bluetooth headphone. We also have a power adapter. Let's see the output. 2000 milliampere hours. 2000 milliampere. So this is a 10 watt adapter with a Pan-African standard, made in China. And let's see what else we have in the packaging. We also have these goggles. I don't know what they are for, but I don't know the purpose why they were put in this packaging. Blue and red. I don't know. Nothing else is in the box. The box is really empty. Sure? Yes, the box is really empty. So everything is outside the box. The box is empty. Let me first put them back. Now, the goggles, headphones, USB-C cable, stand, digitizer, screen guard. This is it, and I'm going to put it right away onto the device. We have a nice cover here. It is really nice. We have a tiny power bank. Let me see how tiny it is. So this is the tiny power bank. It's even smaller than my phone. 1000. Okay. It even has charge. It's lighting. We put this here, and this is our device here. So this is a Discover tablet. It is in landscape mode. So here it is. Put this aside. On the front, we have an exciting front camera. Here it is. Exciting front camera. This is the front. So we have some ratings here. Let's not concentrate on that, on those. We have a SIM slot here just above. We also have a headphone jack at this corner. We have the power button, volume buttons, microphone, very tiny. We also have the USB-C port. Then moving to the back, we have the rear camera and flashlight. So model number G10, 4G tablet, 4GB RAM. Let me take off this front. So this is the first boot. Let me turn it on. So it's turning on, but I don't know if it is going to be readable. So at the bottom we have speaker, pogo pins for connecting the keyboard, and another speaker. So we have a dual speaker system at the bottom. Okay, let me first add the accessories here. So the tablet is set. I'm going to set it up later, but as we compare to any other device. So this one is a 10.1 inch and this is a 10.2 inch. So similar fashion, similar fabric, as you can see. This is the iPad Air and this is the disc cover. So as you can see, the feel, surface finish. As you can see in detail, the iPad is larger than the disc cover tablet. So different design but same ergonomics. If you compare the fronts, so the iPad is really readable and this one is not readable as we expected. The rate of reflection is kinda different. As you can see, the iPad has the anti-reflective coating and this one doesn't have. But as you can see, this one has a different aspect ratio compared to the iPad, different setting. But as you know, Android beats up everything. This is the nice design that I'd go for. This thick bezels, thin bezels, pretty impressive, comfortable to hold. So the tablet has been designed completely, very stable, steady, comfortable to hold. It's really a nice tablet. The compact design makes it just suitable, and we've successfully booted up. So, no SIM card. Android setup is complete. So the tablet is locked. Let me use this digitizer. So one thing I loved about it, you could store it right here, the settings. So you really have to press harder on the device. Finish setting up your device. That one will be later. Have storage. All you need to check is storage. We have Android 8.0 on the go, so the interface is similar to Android 8. Have 3.42 GB used of 64 GB. So the system 4 GB. So that is it, 4 GB. So this device is really nice. I'm really going to upgrade. Okay, this is it. I will set up later, sign in later in all the apps. But it calls. It calls. Similar interface to Android 8. If you're really hoping to upgrade your tablet, you should really go for this. It's really fast. This is all, no apps, no bloatware. This is what I love about such companies. No bloatware, so no useless apps. So the display is really impressive, as you can see. Nice for watching videos. So if you need to upgrade your Android tablet, just go for this. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, this is the device. Really nice, impressive. So good for books. I'm going to install a ton of apps to run academic apps, office, and also classwork. So if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you wish to support, as I said earlier, so comment your favorite accessory in the comment section so that I can be able to add it to my store when I open up. I'm going to open up very soon. Yes, thank you for watching. This is the tablet, very nice, good for the money, good value for money. So I suggest you go for such tablets. Good value for money. Yo, see you in the next video.